Bien bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. Moi ça va nickel. Je vais tester le jeu Life is Strange. C'est la première fois que je le lance, je sais qu'il est excellent, c'est un jeu à chaud. Mais je l'ai jamais lancé, donc je vais tester ça avec vous. Puis je vais jouer une petite heure ou deux. Ça fait longtemps que je voulais faire un stream, et j'ai pas stream une seule fois cette semaine. Je m'en excuse de par avance. J'étais malade, voilà. Donc j'étais pas en état de stream. Et je suis ravi de restream. Ça faisait longtemps. Ça m'avait manqué. C'est parti. Toutes nos actions vont avoir un impact sur le passé, présent et futur. Nous, normalement, on joue une adolescente. Je vais juste modifier les paramètres audio parce que je ne m'entends pas parler. Là, ça va être peut-être le mieux. Et moi, ça l'est. Voilà, c'est bon.
Where am I? What's happening? I'm trapped in a storm? How did I get here? And where is here?
C'est les jeux bizarres. J'aime bien.
Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
Ok, donc ça commence comme ça. On doit aller au phare. Et on est en pleine tempête. C'est assez impressionnant même. Qu'est-ce qui se passe autour de nous? Oh waouh! Ah oui, non, d'accord. En fait, c'est pas une tempête, c'est un cyclone. Ouais, c'est un cyclone. Et curieux. Bon, bref, on va peut-être s'abriter, ça vaudra peut-être mieux. Ok, je dois aller comme ça. Voilà.
Holy shit.
Et bah oui, bah si tu restes ici, ouais, tu vas planter, ouais. T'es en face d'un cyclone, ma grande. Hein. Ah. Wow. Oh putain.
That was so surreal.
Ok, c'était un rêve.
Pieces of time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images
on
of
peut
hopeless
regarder
faces.
un truc?
You feel like totally
Non?
haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
Ok, je peux pas regarder.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And frankly, it's bullshit. Shh, 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 shh. Keep that to yourself. Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you in a dark corner and capture you in a moment of desperation.
Et en fait,
And any one of you
vous
could
êtes
do
bizarre,
that
monsieur.
to me. Isn't that too easy? Too obvious? What if Arbus chose to capture people at the height of
Et la
their beauty
souris
or
gauche.
innocence?
Faites
She had a
glisser
brilliant eye.
vers regarder.
She could have taken another
Relâchez la
approach.
souris.
Look at
Ah
this
oui, ok,
crap.
c'est pour ça.
How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson?
Ok, donc je pensais que c'était
I
des
can
mots
hear
de
the
loin,
class
mais non, en
laughing
fait,
at
c'est
me now.
plein de photos.
I have to admit, I'm not a big fan of her work. I prefer Robert Frank.
Me too, Victoria. He captured the essence of post-war beat America. And there was honest... I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist.
Selfisant,
The
ça
point
se dit ça?
remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and
On en
photography
apprend
for
tous les jours des mots,
as long
putain.
as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Moi?
You're asking me? Let me think.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror.
Ah, elle avait être
Now you're totally
chiante.
stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Elle est
Very good,
chiante,
Victoria.
effectivement.
The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward.
Ok.
The first American daguerreotype
I
self
can't
Okay,
believe
so
I
just
still
not
have this
one.
pencil case. I should upgrade to the 21st century.
all about him.
But I like it old school.
Or even online.
Ah.
And
Ah
guys,
oui,
don't
ok,
forget
c'était
the
pour
deadline to
patienter
submit
en
a
fait que
photo
je
in the
pouvais regarder
Everyday
ce qu'il y
Heroes
avait sur ma
contest.
table.
I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
En fait, je me fais arracher par le prof et par l'élève qui est à côté de moi, c'est génial. Ok, nickel.
Yes, Victoria.
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass.
Humber 4 heures, ok.
Competition, everybody in class is turning in a photo. So, you see the dilemma?
I know, Mr. Jefferson. I just worked so hard on the shot, and I'm sure you know what it's like to be consumed by your work.
I see you,
Ok,
Max
c'est parti.
Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your entry.
Ok, on a un truc à parler.
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Do I have to? I just don't think it's that big a deal.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young.
Attends, je vais modifier les paramètres vidéo pour le gamma. Il est trop haut. Du coup, on voit les ombres sont un petit peu étranges. Ah oui, en fait, il était là. On va essayer comme ça.
World is
Peut-être qu'on
yours,
verra
blah,
mieux
blah,
les
blah, right?
sous-titres.
But you do
Ah, c'est
have a
ça.
gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. And that's what
Ouais,
separates the
bof, on
artist
voit pas tant que ça
from
en
the
fait.
amateur.
Nickel. Est-ce que maintenant, professeur, je peux y aller? Je peux arrêter de me faire rincer devant tout le monde? Enfin, surtout devant elle.
You didn't tell me how
Nickel,
cute I
je
look
peux y aller.
yet.
I was about to. You always
Welcome to the real world.
Just cute.
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture during class.
Ouais, c'est l'école typique américaine.
She plays it so sharp.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that class. It's so fucking boring.
Et qu'est-ce que t'attends pour y aller alors?
She's so fucking shy. We take selfies with this giant cat.
Ok, elle met ses écouteurs. Oh putain, elle est bien la musique. Ah, pas mal, hein. En plus, on a vraiment le fait, en fait, on entend la musique et moins des personnes autour. Putain, regardez, hein. Ah, c'est quelqu'un qui a recherché. Je peux pas, je reprendre un truc.
They should just call it a sugar machine. That would be awesome if you put money in there and a bag of sugar dropped out.
Ouais, comment ça va?
Driving a car by the seaside, watching the world from the bright side.
Empty, good. Nobody can see my meltdown, except for me.
Est-ce qu'il va y avoir... Je suis sûr qu'il va y avoir l'autre qui va venir. Nous emmerder. Faire quoi là? Genre... Je regarde
I
l'alarme
remember when
incendie.
somebody punked the alarm last month.
Ok.
At least I got out of science class for that quiz. This poster must drive people to have sex.
Ah, c'est très très classe. Hein. Distributeur, est-ce qu'il y a quoi?
I'm good to flow. Thanks.
Ok.
Now,
Ouais,
who
ça.
would bother to write that crap?
Il faut que je ressorte? Non? Je vais faire quoi? Ah, utiliser là.
I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy?
Ah, c'est une bonne question. Est-ce que tu deviens folle? Là, j'en ai aucune idée. En tout cas, pour l'instant. Le jeu est joli.
Just
quand même.
relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift. Fuck it.
Oh, un petit
When a door
papillon.
closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Qu'est-ce que je vais faire? J'essaye de le prendre? Ah, ouais, non, je le prends en photo. Je trouve ça stylé. De pouvoir prendre n'importe quoi en photo. Enfin, n'importe quoi. Gars, tu t'es trompé de toilette, je crois.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You
gars,
own this school.
tu sais
If
que
I
t'es dans
wanted,
les
I could
toilettes
blow
des
it
femmes, là.
up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you checked the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family, not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Oula,
Tell me what
c'est en
to
train de
do.
dégénérer là.
I'm so sick of people trying to control me!
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Oula. Bah c'est génial, il y a déjà quelqu'un qui vient de se faire buter après même pas 15 minutes de jeu, c'est génial.
Whoa. What the fuck?
Hein?
How?
Elle
How
vient,
can that be?
elle vient de remonter le
I
temps.
was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
As he likely was. These pieces of time can frame us in
I
our
already
world.
heard this lecture.
From light to shadow. From color.
Donc elle remonte le
Now
temps.
Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now, can you give me an example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Elle va tester de dire la
Can I
réponse.
actually reverse
There you
time?
go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless
Maintenez le clic
faces.
droit enfoncé pour remonter le temps. Comme ça j'ai mon appareil photo qui est pas pété. S'il te plaît mon appareil photo.
I did did
Now,
it.
can you
I
give me an
actually
example
did
of a
it.
Ok, donc elle a le
photographer
pouvoir de
who
remonter
perfectly
le temps, c'est
captured
génial
the
ça.
impression in black and white? Anybody?
Génial.
Bueller?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her
Keep it
images
together,
of helpless
Max.
faces.
On
You
va
feel
rien
like
faire
totally
pour
haunted
l'instant,
by
on
the eyes
attend.
of those sad mothers and
When I
children.
took my selfie, Jefferson asked me a question.
Tortured, right?
If he does again, I'll know this is for real.
Keep that to yourself.
Ok, donc faut que je
Seriously,
reprenne
though,
un
I could
un
frame
selfie
any
pour
one of you in
savoir
a dark
si
corner.
c'est bel et bien réel.
I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not
Of
dreaming
course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early
Je peux
1800s.
remonter en fait le temps.
Your generation
So I
was the
can go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead
I
yet?
couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I
as
need to go to the bathroom
long as it's
quickly
been
and check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please
Bien sûr que non, je
tell
passe
us the
pas.
name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
Je vais pouvoir donner la réponse?
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the bathroom.
Nice try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody here
Shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me after
Louis Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I need
who
time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like
Ça
a
va
mirror.
être très très
Now you're
compliqué d'aller aux
totally
toilettes
stuck in the
alors.
retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind
The
again
Daguerrean process
and give him the right
brought out
answer?
fine detail in people's faces, making them extreme.
L'information qui peut être apprise dans le passé. Donc si je retiens...
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest
Et
and
donc
clearly
là,
want to
je
join
peux
the
prendre l'autre.
conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave
Et
birth
si
to
je
the
prends
first
l'autre, est-ce qu'il me laisse tranquille?
self-portraits?
Là.
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max.
Ok,
The
grâce à
Daguerrean
ça,
process made portraiture
ils pourront me laisser
hugely
tranquille.
popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everyone. And guys,
Nickel.
don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Ok,
Max,
nickel.
you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Bah, tant mieux en vrai, si tu peux faire des super pouvoirs, ça
Yes,
veut dire que je peux...
I see you, Max Caulfield. Don't even think about leaving here until we talk about your
Merde,
entry.
j'ai oublié ce détail. De toute façon, je suis obligé de faire ça.
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
Yeah, I'm not sure I have one.
Given your selfie output, I'm sure you must have about 1,000 pics by now.
It'll take a long time to find a good one.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me stop you.
Ok, nickel. Appuie sur CTRL pour annuler vos actions avec le pouvoir de remonter le temps. Ok, donc
Excuse
là je lui
me.
parle.
Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us.
Yeah.
I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid.
Et vraiment, je l'aime pas, Victoria.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Ok, nickel. Et il me laisse. Putain, mais c'est génial.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please. I can't tell anybody. They'll think I'm crazy.
Génial. Là, je pourrais avancer plus vite, mais c'est ce que je fais, mais...
You know I don't tease.
I hate that science class with those nerds.
What's that got to do with anything?
Nickel, je
Okay, Max,
rentre.
retrace every step. I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
Ok, donc je reprends une photo, non?
Leave them out of
Ah
this
voilà,
bitch.
nickel.
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get that? What are you
Là, je vais
doing?
pouvoir bouger.
Come on, put that thing
Ever
down!
Tell me what to do.
Wowzer, it's happening again.
People trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
I
Nobody
need a hammer to break it open.
missed your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
Ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Et on remonte encore le temps. Elle va crever longtemps. Hein.
Sick of people trying to control me. No way.
Don't ever
Yes.
touch me again, freak!
Nickel. Donc là, je l'ai sauvé.
Another shitty day.
Bah,
That
parfait.
did not happen. This cannot be real. I
Est-ce que je peux
just saw
récupérer
a
ma
girl
photo ou
get
pas?
shot and then saved her.
Non.
What the fuck is going on?
Bah, je vais sortir. Hein.
Do not freak out.
Wesh, y'a plus personne.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Oh, il
Thank you,
est
Mr.
chiant.
Matson. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Merci monsieur de m'avoir aidé. Je vais lui parler peut-être. Parlez, voilà.
You
nickel.
look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or
c'est
have
sympa,
you
ça.
done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
Non, je vais le dénoncer.
I
va voir
just
ce
saw
que ça va
Nathan
donner.
Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family.
Ils vont pas le
And one of
punir.
Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look
Oula,
into the
je vais
matter
peut-être prendre
personally.
tarif. Hein,
Thank
à
you for
cause
bringing
de-
it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told
We'll
you?
continue
That's what
this
this is.
discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Je sais pas si c'était vraiment la bonne
course this-
discussion à faire. Hein. Franchement, là, soit je le dénonce et apparemment, bon, il se passe rien parce qu'il est riche. Il a vraiment de la chance. Soit peut-être qu'il se passerait quelque chose si je disais pas la vérité. Peut-être que je prendrais moins de risques parce que je me dis là il sait que je l'ai vu.
academic drone
Cette
won't
icône
do
indique que vous
anything
attendent des
since the
conséquences. Vous
Prescott
pouvez
family
revenir en arrière
owns
pour les modifier.
Blackwell now.
Non.
Should I rewind and
Modifiez rien.
change my story?
Souris gauche pour aller au campus. Gauche. Ok, nickel, c'est ce qu'il fallait faire. J'espère juste qu'il en parlera pas directement en lui disant « Oh, c'est elle qui t'a dénoncé, mec !» Ce serait un petit peu con. Puis je prendrai sûrement cher.
Would Nathan Prescott please come to the front office? Thank you.
Rachel Amber. She looks so hopeful and pretty. I wonder what happened to her.
Eh bah c'est une bonne question, et je pense pas que tu puisses remonter le temps autant.
This day has been so insane. Everything is happening too fast. And none of it makes any sense. These visions, this power. I keep expecting to wake up one more time. But if this is a dream, then I'm not asleep. Which means somehow I did rewind time. So there has to be a reason. And I have to find out why.
Ok. Déjà, elle est smart. Moi, j'en ai rien déduit du tout. Je pense qu'il n'y a rien à en déduire tout court, en fait. Tu peux remonter le temps, c'est déjà pas normal. Est-ce que je peux partir, genre? Pas remonter le temps. Apparemment, faut attendre. Je peux pas partir. Laissez-moi partir. Je peux pas remonter le temps. Non, je suis bloqué. Pourquoi je suis bloqué sur la fontaine? C'est un enfer. Mais quoi? Je suis bloqué sur une putain de fontaine, là, c'est ce qui est en train de se passer. Je peux pas remonter le temps. Bloqué sur une putain de fontaine. Comment je peux sortir? Il y a une touche? Déplacer, course en embobinage rapide, mage. Ah, non, c'est bon. Oh putain, elle se lève. Je vais juste faire espace. J'ai cru que j'allais rester tombé. Warren.
Okay, I better get to my dorm and grab that
Ok,
flash drive.
au dortoir pour récupérer la clé USB. Table pour ouvrir votre journal. Le dor... Ah. Ah, c'est vachement sympa ça. Le dortoir, le dortoir, le dortoir. Comment je peux savoir où il est le dortoir? Ça m'aide pas là. Si, il y a un truc là. Prologue, lundi. Le dortoir, il est où? Comment je peux savoir? Le dortoir, il a l'air d'être... C'est ça, hein? Parking. Ah, mais je dois venir... Non, mais je dois prendre... je dois aller au dortoir. Atlantic Field. Dortoir. Dortores. Là-bas. Donc je vais au dortoir, je prends ma clé USB et je dois aller au parking, donc de l'autre côté. Souris gauche pour aller au dortoir. Ok. C'est pas très... genre... On n'y pense pas vraiment. Je suis habitué à eux. Ouais. F pour interagir avec des objets, c'est comme dans la plupart des jeux vidéo en fait. Et du coup, ça me
I need to
change
go
un
to my
peu.
room and return Warren's flash drive.
Présume qu'elles vont me casser les couilles et que je vais pas pouvoir rentrer par là.
Oh, look,
C'est
it's
quand même-
Max Caulfield, the selfie hoe of Blackwell. What a lame gimmick. Even Mark, Mr. Jefferson, falls for your waif hipster bullshit. The Daguerrean process, sir. You could barely even say that. I guess you got your meds filled.
Je m'attendais
Since you
pas
know
du tout à
all
ce
the
que ce soit chiant.
answers, I guess you have to find another way into the dorm.
Je le savais.
We ain't moving. Oh, wait. Hold that pose. So original. Don't worry, Max. I'll put a vintage filter on it right before I post it all over social medias. Now, why don't you go fuck your selfie?
Oh yes, Victoria. I'll get your bony ass out of my way.
Est-ce que je peux pas, genre...
Okay, now where exactly is the sprinkler valve?
Yes, 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 yes. Je vais pouvoir l'arroser. Je sais pas où est la valve. Et dès que je la trouve, t'inquiète qu'elle va bien bouger. Ah sinon, non, je peux pas aller là, dommage. Donc ça sert à rien d'aller là. Elle est peut-être de l'autre côté la valve. Peut-être. Non, c'est pas ça. Ah, pompe. Ouais, et je peux pas l'utiliser. Pompe à eau.
This main
Regardez.
sprinkler valve looks easy enough to use.
Je peux pas l'utiliser. Est-ce que c'est parce que le mec il a mis son seau que je peux pas l'utiliser? Ouais, je pense que c'était pour ça.
What the hell? Are you kidding? Look at this!
Hey.
Chill, Victoria. It's just water. Yeah, water on my cashmere. Do you know how much this fucking outfit costs?
You look great.
I can't even chill on the steps.
Et ben voilà.
None shall pass. Capiche?
Oh, elle est chiante. Qu'est-ce que je peux faire maintenant? Parce que... je peux pas l'utiliser. Je peux plus rien utiliser ici. Ok, je peux plus rien utiliser ici. Elle va me casser les couilles, elle. Ah merde, c'est pas ce que je voulais faire. Pas ce que je voulais faire. Tu redescends ton échelle. Je vais les revirer. Tac. Nickel. Non. Je repose ce pot de peinture.
There goes Samuel da Vinci to paint the window.
No. Do you understand English? Get lost.
Comment je fais pour passer là? Elle est chiante.
No.
Je peux lui parler pour choper le ballon.
Okay.
Bien faire.
Nice, bro.
Sorry, no paparazzi allowed.
Comment je fais pour passer? Je suis bloqué dès le début, j'ai l'impression d'être giga con. Oh, salut petite écureuil. Et il a pas peur, hein.
Nice.
Donc, comment on fait pour passer à la zone suivante? J'aimerais bien le savoir quand même. Parce que je comprends pas, je suis bloqué. Je suis un petit peu bloqué, j'essaye de comprendre là. Et je comprends pas comment les dégager. Parce que j'ai utilisé l'arroseur. Et normalement, après avoir utilisé l'arroseur, ça devrait être bon. Techniquement parlant, ça devrait être good. Ça les a dégagés, mais elle reste devant. Ok, alors je pense avoir une solution. On m'a sifflé dans l'oreillette la solution. Et je suis un petit peu con. Donc tu vas reculer très très loin. Non, je veux encore aller plus loin.
I can't grab that. Samuel is way too close.
Ah frérot, Samuel, recule-toi! Voilà, nickel.
Okay, let's see if this works.
Vas-y Samuel. Est-ce que je peux te parler du coup Samuel?
There goes Samuel da Vinci to paint the window.
Ok, je ne peux pas te parler Samuel.
Sweet.
Ça va être un grand spectacle là. J'espère que ça va lui tomber dessus.
Nice, bro.
Dommage qu'on peut pas faire une annonce rapide du coup. C'est le seul truc. Et là c'est dommage. Allez, monte.
Awesome.
Close, but no cigar. They have to be right under the bucket.
Ok. Donc, faut que je retourne beaucoup plus tôt. Faut qu'il descende de son échelle.
Okay,
passe.
let's see if this works.
Dépêche-toi, dépêche-toi, dépêche-toi. Yes! Je l'ai! Là, normalement, à vire. Là, je passe les cinématiques, on les a vues déjà plusieurs fois, donc je me permets. Mais là, du coup, effet à la chaîne, il le met, et ça leur tombe sur la gueule. C'est parfait.
Oh, Samuel is sorry. Wet paint is not good for hair. Nope. Sorry.
Get the hell away from me, weirdo!
C'est pas très sympa, ça.
Hold on. We'll get some towels. We'll be right back.
So move your ass before I drive.
It worked. Don't mess with Max, bitches.
Nickel, donc là, je peux y aller. Je lui parle.
Hey, Victoria.
What do you want, Max?
Réconforté, je suis pas une connasse.
I am sorry. That's an awesome cashmere coat.
It was. But there'll be another.
Well, you always seem to know how to pick the right outfits.
I do have some talent. Mr. Jefferson told me.
I've seen your pictures. You have a great eye. Richard Avedon-esque.
He's one of my heroes. Thanks, Max.
Ouais, elle est pas méchante, c'est juste une
I hope
grognasse.
those sluts get me a towel before they hang a sign on me.
Je peux passer?
You deserve a better shot. Sorry about blocking you and the go fuck your selfie.
That was
C'était la bonne.
but pretty funny.
C'est la bonne
One of those
solution.
days, you know?
I know exactly what you mean, Victoria. I'll see you later.
Au revoir.
Attends, elle a dit au revoir. Pourquoi elle a dit au revoir?
Victoria probably played me.
Cette action aura des conséquences. Oui, ben je préfère être sympa que d'être un connard. Je préfère.
Hurry, Courtney.
Pas chez moi. Hop, salut.
Victoria is going to be pissed we took so long.
Est-ce que ça c'est chez moi? Non. Il y a du papier chiotte. C'est vraiment la merde. Chambre de Max. Nickel, bah je rentre chez moi. Est-ce que j'ai une chambre sympa, moi? Belle guitare.
Home
En
sweet
vrai?
home. My favorite cocoon.
En vrai, la maison... sa chambre est pas dégueu. En vrai, c'est cosy cosy. Hein. Moi, j'aime bien. Ah. Joyeux anniversaire de ma daronne. Des histoires invraisemblables à propos d'un excellent élève. Et quel connard! J'en ai été sûr qu'il prendrait pas ça au sérieux juste parce qu'il est plus riche. On va ouvrir tout.
It's hard to believe I'm 18 now. I'm lucky my parents enabled my photo habit into adulthood.
Je présume qu'il faut juste... Je peux jouer de la guitare. T'inquiète, t'inquiète, je vais en jouer là. Je vais jouer de la guitare. Ah ouais non, en fait, je pensais que c'était que je pourrais en jouer moi-même en fait. Bon, dommage. Dans un autre tiroir, je présume qu'il doit être. Donc la tête doit être
Max
ici.
and Chloe, best friends forever. Who even says that anymore? I'm going to have to call Chloe eventually and find out what she'll say. The longer I wait, the worse it'll be. Idiot.
Plante, arrosée, oui bien sûr.
You are thirsty. I'm the worst baby mama. Drink up.
Elle a des réflexions bizarres quand même quand elle nourrit, enfin, quand elle boit sa plante. Ça aura une action plus tard, donc je pense que c'est juste que la, elle est vivante quoi, la plante à la fin quoi.
Looks like Dana left me a little post-it note.
Lire. Je t'ai emprunté ta clé USB pour me distraire un peu pendant que je révise. Si tu en as besoin, je suis dans ma chambre.
Great.
Bah, j'ai bien
Now I
fait
have
de
to go
lire.
get the flash drive from Dana's room.
Tac. La chambre de Dina.
You can't get out now, Dana, so tell me the truth or rot in there.
Welcome to the real drama queens of Blackwell.
Ok, je peux rien faire. Bon. Allons lui parler.
Hey, Juliet. Is everything cool?
Oh yes, Max. I've locked Dana in the room because
bien,
we're
Dana.
cool.
She's your friend.
Friends don't sex with their best friend's boyfriend.
No, probably not. How did you find out?
Why do you care? Why are you even asking me? You never talk, just zone out with your camera.
That's why I'm talking to you now.
What's my last name?
Juliet. Juliet Olsen.
That was truly sad. Thanks for your concern, Max Caulfield. By the way, Juliet Watson.
Ok. Watson, bah c'est pas grave, regarde. Hop là. Je parle?
Hey, Juliet.
Oh
Je
yes,
passe?
Max. I've locked Dana in the room.
Je passe?
Juliet
Watson.
Watson, you be nice.
I'm flattered. I didn't even think you knew my name at all.
Je le connaissais absolument pas.
Of course I do.
Thanks. I locked Dana in because she was sexting Zach, my boyfriend. Unbelievable.
How do you know?
Victoria Chase. You know her.
You could say that. But why would Dana go after your boyfriend?
According to Victoria, Dana would do anything to date a quarterback.
According to Victoria. Huh.
She saw the sext. And Zachary won't answer his phone. Once Dana admits it, she can go. Straight to hell.
C'est pas très sympa ça. Il doit y avoir une preuve dans sa chambre. Dans la chambre de qui? Dans la chambre de qui? Je fais toutes les chambres. Dans la chambre de qui il doit y avoir une preuve? Non mais ça c'est ma chambre. Chambre de Victoria. Ok, il faut aller dans sa chambre. C'est sympa aussi sa chambre. C'est pas mal.
Dior, Givenchy. You could pay for my tuition with that
Et
wardrobe.
y a rien, gazette, je m'en fous. Un appareil photo.
She's actually got a classic medium format camera with some awesome
Ça,
prime.
je connais beaucoup trop. Stop, stop, stop.
Ouch. Well, at least she puts her photographs out there.
Merci à l'intérieur, vous
Unlike
avez porté,
me.
galerie. Ok, elle vient de se prendre un refus, pas une galerie d'art.
Is she going to get a 3D printer for her dorm room? Maybe I will join her posse.
Ok. Là.
Yes, I get it. Enter the Vortex Club. Okay, if I
Et
did wear
des
expensive
bijoux.
jewelry, I would wear this for sure.
Avis de recherche, des livres, des... Ah, voilà, je peux peut-être utiliser son PC.
I'll give Victoria props for not posting my photo. And for this nice shot. Boom! This is the email I need to show Juliet.
Ah bah voilà.
Now I have to print this fast and get the hell out of here.
Imprimer le mail. Faut que je l'oublie.
This better convince Juliet that Dana is innocent.
S'il te plaît, je sors et elle est pas devant moi. Ok, nickel, elle est pas devant moi. C'est parfait. Tiens.
Juliet, read this.
Of course. I'm an asshole. I'm sorry, Dana.
You are. And I hope so. You really think I'd mess around with Zachary?
No, but I get stupid jealous. I owe you dinner. Still love me?
And you do my laundry.
Thanks, Max. You're like the Blackwell Ninja. Now let's see what Zach has to
Elle
say about
utilise vraiment
Victoria.
à
You set me
fond, genre.
free. Thank you. Warren's flash drive is on my desk.
Ah, merci, ça c'est sympa par contre la clé. C'est exactement ce que je cherche depuis au moins 10 minutes.
Almost done.
La clé, la clé.
Get the
Elle a
flash
dit qu'elle
drive
était...
and then I'll go see Warren.
Elle a dit qu'elle était là. Je la prends.
Must protect my precious so Max never has to chase it down again.
Ah, Warren. Dans mon appareil. Bah je dois y aller, bah nickel, bah j'y vais. Pour sortir du dortoir des filles, bah, je sors. Faut que j'aille au parking, et le parking, dans mes souvenirs, c'est à gauche. Je l'ai vu tout à l'heure quand j'ai essayé. Merde, c'est ce que je voulais faire. Pas à gauche. Ah. Merci. Merci, on n'est pas amis. Ok.
Fuck this shit.
Ow! That hurt!
Damn, I better rewind.
Fuck this shit. Get lost, hipster. I'm not doing any. Fuck this shit.
Ow!
Je vais l'avertir.
Alyssa, move your head.
If you insist, Max.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I actually
Ok,
helped
nickel,
somebody.
je l'ai décalé. Déjà pas mal. Cette action aura des conséquences. Je vois pas lesquelles, mais pourquoi pas. C'est pas là-bas? Le parking. Ah si, voilà, si, c'est le parking.
So don't think I'm blind. I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
Prendre une photo.
You can't fool me. I know everything about this school. I cover the waterfront. So you better figure out what side you're on.
Please, leave me alone.
Je préfère ne pas m'attirer de problème avec lui, j'en ai déjà beaucoup trop.
Hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks for nothing, Max.
C'était peut-être pas la meilleure des choses à faire.
Man, I should have stepped in between Kate and David.
Ouais.
That asshole was so over the line. I could
Je vais
rewind and
m'interposer,
try
t'inquiète.
something different.
Je vais m'interposer, tac. Je passe et j'interviens.
Hey, why don't you leave her alone?
Excuse us. This is official campus business.
Excuse me, you shouldn't be yelling at students or bullying them.
Hey, nobody is bullying anybody. I'm doing my job.
No, you're not.
You're part of the problem, Missy. I will remember this conversation.
Allez, je sais pas ce qu'ils ont contre moi,
Oh,
mais
Max,
vraiment,
that
ils me
was
détestent.
great. I think you scared him for once. I have to go, but thank you. It means a lot.
Anytime, Kate.
Ok, il faut aider tout le monde, comme ça
I
je...
felt like an everyday
Ça sera
hero.
good. Ça, je serai vraiment super sympa, super apprécié des gens. Comme ça, ils me poseront plus de problèmes. Ouah. Ça doit être lui, celui qui m'attend sur la voiture tout là-bas là. Ouais. 100%. Enfin, j'espère.
I'm glad I stepped in that time. Can't stand to see people being bullied.
Come on over here, please.
Warren, bah tiens.
What up, Max? How are you?
Here's your flash. Thanks.
No problem. Check out my new wheels.
Cool. Very old school.
1978 to be exact. Now we can go to the drive-in. There's one in Newburgh just 60 miles away.
You're in the wrong time, Warren. But then, so am I.
You okay?
It's been one strange fucking day.
I bet. I heard Victoria got a face full of paint. I'd pay money to see a photo of that.
Really? I wish I would have known.
You probably could have raised a Kickstarter fund just for that one image of her covered in paint.
Had I known that. Anyway, Victoria took down my photo, so that drama ended well.
So, did you get a chance to check out the movie booty on my flash drive?
On va dire oui.
Yeah, thanks. You had some cool shit on there, from Akira to Twilight Zone, which seems apropos today.
I consider myself a pop cultural pirate connoisseur.
That
Oh, ça
does
va,
sound
les
better
gars, là.
than thief.
Ha ha. Make sure you watch Cannibal Holocaust.
seen it. I was more disturbed by all those emo vampire movies in there.
Can a sensitive high school boy love sensitive vampires too?
So you're sensitive.
Ouch, that sounds awful the way you say it.
No, I was impressed you had faster Pussycat Kill Kill.
Russ Meyer was a genius of black and white. Plus, babes with breasts.
Who would beat your sensitive
Ah,
ass
c'est long
down?
sa mère.
If I was lucky.
Pourquoi je choisis
Speaking
des
of
trucs
flipping
pour
fast,
parler, genre?
we should cruise out in my car to an actual movie this week. But you seem distracted.
I don't want to speak about it. This is kind of a crazy day for me.
Je pense que ça vaut
I mean,
le coup de
I literally think
de
I'm
fermer
going
sa gueule et
crazy.
de pas le dire.
I may be a pest,
Tu vas pas
but
dire à
I'm a
quelqu'un.
good listener.
Ouais.
For real,
je remonte le
this
ton.
is between you and me, not social media.
Ah bon,
Don't
bah,
insult
le dis quand
me.
même.
Max, go on.
I had this incredibly bizarro experience in Mr. Jefferson's class today. I mean, life-changing. Have you ever had a dream so real it was like a movie?
Max Caulfield, right? You're one of the Jefferson's photo groupies?
I'm one of his
Qu'est-ce qu'elle
students.
fait?
What the fuck ever? I know you like to take pictures, especially when you're hiding out in the bathrooms. You best tell
Oh,
me
oui,
what
putain,
you told
c'est
the
lui.
principal? Now. Answer me,
De quoi
bitch!
tu parles?
What are you talking about?
I know you're new here,
va
but
mentir.
don't even play stupid with me.
I'm not new. I've lived here for years.
Then you should know the Prescotts own this shithole.
Then you don't have to worry about me. Worry about yourself.
Do not analyze me! I pay people for that. Worry about yourself, Max Caulfield.
Recule.
Take a step back, Nathan Prescott.
Oh
Recule.
man, you're telling me what to do? Get away from her, dude!
Mais wesh.
Hey! Leave him alone!
Nobody tells me what to do! Not my parents, not
Il
the
est vraiment
principal,
dérangé,
or
ce
that
mec.
whore in the bathroom!
Le mec est vraiment dérangé, frère. C'est dingue.
Max? Chloe?
No way. You again.
Oh! Go! I got this! Get in, Max!
Le mec est un dérangé.
Get your punk asses out of there now! Don't even try to run! Nobody! Nobody!
Il va pas bien, hein. Il va vraiment pas bien, ce gars. Hein. Il a un problème. Hein.
Nathan Prescott is messed up.
Ah oui, bah là, je suis
and
d'accord.
dangerous. This day never ends.
Oh, and thanks, Chloe.
Accessoirement, faut lui dire
After 5
merci,
years,
oui,
you're
c'est
still
pas faux.
Max Caulfield. Don't give me the guilty face. At least pretend you're glad to see me.
I am seriously glad to see you. Oh, and thanks, Chloe. It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
Yes, it's been that kind of day. So what did that freak want with you?
Hopefully nothing after today. So, how do you know Nathan?
He's just another Arcadia asshole. Your friend really took a beat down for you.
Warren? Yeah, I owe him big time.
Ouais.
You're not the only
Je vais
one,
devoir le
Beth,
remercier après.
and you're already causing trouble.
I thought it would be quiet here. Feels so weird to be back.
So I guess Seattle sucked hard?
I
Moi, je sais
guess.
pas, j'en ai aucune idée.
It was
Je
cool,
vais aller,
but
donc,
I felt kind
on
of
va dire qu'on sait
lonely,
pas.
out of my league.
I would think you'd fit right in with the art school hipsters.
Right. You look like the cover of hipstergirl.com.
At least you're still a smartass.
That's why I'm here.
Please, girl. You came back for Blackwell Academy.
Mais... Bon, allez,
Only for Mark Jefferson. He was a pretty famous photographer
on va
in the
parler d'un
90s.
photographe.
I've always loved his work.
Those that can't do, teach. I'm glad you find a good reason to come back.
Don't you think I'm happy to see you?
No. You were happy to wait 5 years without a call or even a text.
Ah. Je vais mettre je
I'm
suis
sorry.
désolé.
I know things were tough on you when I left.
How do you know? You weren't even here.
I didn't order my parents to move specifically to fuck you over, Chloe.
You've been at Blackwell for almost a month without letting me know. Enough said.
I just wanted to settle in first and not be such a shy, cliche geek. I totally would have contacted you.
I bet you don't use these sad excuses on Mr. Jefferson. Don't use them on me, Max.
C'est tendu comme amitié, hein. Presque terminé, je dirais. Hein.
broken. Oh, man, are you serial?
Wow, haven't heard that one in a while.
Not everything changes. Except my camera has officially taken a shit.
My step douche has a boatload of tools. Maybe you can fix it in my place.
I need very specific tiny tools.
Nerd alert. My stepdad has a fully stocked garage, and he actually is a tiny tool. Welcome home, Max.
J'ai compris ce que ça voulait dire ça. Être con, mais ça j'ai compris. En vrai, le jeu est sympa, hein. En tout cas, c'est super intéressant de pouvoir retourner en fait dans le passé pour pouvoir recommencer des actions et voir le changement que ça peut avoir sur l'histoire en fait.
Come on in, don't be shy.
The house still looks nice.
Home shit home. My room looks a bit different than the last time you saw it.
Oh putain,
It's cool.
c'est un
At
petit peu
least you can
bordélique
chill
quand même,
out.
hein.
This isn't exactly my chill-out zone. My stepfuhrer makes
Par
sure
contre,
of
c'est
that.
immense.
Come in and close the door. Put on some music while I medicate.
Alors, affume. Mais je vais m'arrêter ici. Je vais arrêter le live ici et je... Ah, oula. Comment on sauvegarde? Oh, ça doit être des sauvegardes automatiques. Je vais m'arrêter ici. Je referai sûrement un autre live dans 2 semaines. Donc entre le 26 et le 30, je pense, j'essaierai de faire un autre stream sur Life is Strange. C'est un jeu super intéressant. Franchement, j'ai bien aimé. Donc moi, je vous dis à dans 2 semaines pour un nouveau live sur Life is Strange.